Melissa, you didn't leave your heart in San Francisco. I know you didn't. You left it here. It's always here.
It's right here in Eugene. I love Tony Bennett music. I always feel like I need like a book and some rain, a nice peaceful scene. Great tickets to win for you this morning. Take a look at today's weather picture. Definitely not a rainy scene. Polly sent this in. She's a freshman at the U of O. Great picture there. A very active U of O campus taken last week when we had those blue skies moving in, and conditions will look very similar to this here today. Thanks, Polly, for sending in your weather picture. If you have one that you would like to share with us, I'd love to see it. You can send it to me on Facebook, email like Polly did at Melissa Frey at KEZI.com. Also on Twitter, or of course, you can always log on to KEZI.com, submit your weather pictures there as well. If you're at the track championships, be sure to snap a picture for me. I'd love to see those as well. If you're out and about yesterday, you know, quite toasty, mid-80s here in the southern Willamette Valley. Head south, even warmer, cracked into the 90s in Roseburg yesterday. Head further south into Medford. That was the warmest spot, 95. Mid-80s in Central Oregon, 90s up the Columbia River Gorge, some 90s over in Eastern Oregon as well. The one place to go to get some relief from that heat, that's the coast, where high temperatures stayed in the upper 50s and mid-60s yesterday. Same story again today as well. Few high clouds overhead and here in the southern Willamette Valley. A little bit of light fog as well is that dew point just 1 degree below the temperature. Not affecting visibility though. That's still the full 10 miles this morning. So should be a great day to ride the bike or take the bus into work or school here this morning. Now, as we zoom out a bit, you can see those clouds overhead. Really not all that impressive. It's part of this weak little cold front that the northern part of that is where the actual center of the storm is. So we're just seeing the very southern branch of that. Once that moves on, we'll get right back to those sunny skies this afternoon. High pressure, it's still in control. It's sitting just offshore, and that's continuing to nudge that jet stream further and further to the north. And as it does, it keeps other storms like this area of low pressure, which is forming in the Gulf of Alaska, to the north as well. So just like what we're seeing this morning with this cold front, we'll see that again Sunday into Monday. We'll see the very southern edge of that. That'll just bring in a few high clouds. Really nothing to write home about with that one either. And we still have no storms in sight. Early next week, though, we'll see that jet stream slide a little bit south, which will bring in some slightly cooler air. For now, though, Precision Cast shows it's clear skies inland. That marine layer hugging close to the coast again this afternoon. Heading into Friday, sunny skies for all of us. Same story on Saturday. And then again early next week, we'll see just a few more clouds moving through. Still, though, no rain in sight. The coast will see highs in the upper 50s and low 60s, very similar to yesterday. A little bit of morning fog, those low clouds hanging close by the beach. Breezy conditions, winds will stay out of the north there at 10 to 20 miles per hour. And then as we head into the rest of the week, we'll continue to see low 60s. The Umpqua Basin, mid to upper 80s for you. Sunny, warm conditions continuing. Winds will be from the northwest at 5 to 15 miles per hour. Staying in the mid to upper 80s here all the way into Saturday. And then again early next week, we'll fall down into the mid 70s, 76 by Tuesday, 75 by Wednesday. Nice and toasty across the Cascades, mid to upper 70s for you. Heading over to Central Oregon, mid to upper 80s, nearly 90 today in Redmond and Madras. You'll continue to see those winds out of the northwest. And as we head into the rest of the week, 80s all the way into this weekend, mid 70s early next week. And for the valley, low to mid 80s. Sunny, warm conditions sticking with us. Again, if you're headed out to Hayward this afternoon, definitely want to grab that sunscreen. Low 80s Friday, Saturday. Great conditions into this weekend. We've been talking this spring about how there's been so many opportunities to get out, do some gardening, enjoy the outdoors. But now that those pollen levels are rising, I will be in closed doors, in the air conditioning, looking through the window.
I think a lot of people are raising their hands at home right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.